1 year. So I know that a high-paying job is much more better, or a job with just a satisfaction will be better. So speaking of that, I did my internship in one of the startup companies like Potion. I guess you haven't heard of it. It's a Mumbai-based company. So basically, Potion is like, it's a juice company. It manufactures juice. So my work was like, it was a intern. As an intern, I was getting a stipend of 10K per month, but that gradually came down to 5K in 2 months. That's the irony of the fact. So what happened is that I enjoyed the job. No matter it was a sales intern, I enjoyed the job very much. But the fact was the company had to close down because of less funds, because of fundings, because of financial problems and all. Now speaking of a high brand like Amul or Mondelez or Mars, anything, you might find it very problematic at the initial stage, because you might be having the adjustment problem, but eventually you will get a head start that I need to work, because when you are seeing your peers working alongside you and yielding a better result, you will be having that hunger in your stomach that I need to work as well, I need to perform, I need to outperform, and that how happens in the whole corporate. So 1.5 years back, when I was standing in this room, in this very room, and I said that I will be taking a job which will give me satisfaction on money, I was way wrong, and my thought was, it was just a blunder. I would have done a blunder, because right now what I am thinking, that looking at the COVID crisis, looking at the crisis that happening, like the virus is coming, today is coming COVID-19, tomorrow might be something else, might be. So just asking you that what will be your take on that, that if you don't have any money, just having for the sake of satisfaction, you are just doing a job but you have no money in your hand, because your company won't be paying your health salaries, your health amenities and all. But what other big brands will, they will pay you a healthy salary, a better salary that will satisfy your secure, that will secure and satisfy your benefits. You will be secure at your point, and you will be better off than others. Like if someone is saying that I will be sitting like that, I will be sitting a job on a that will satisfy me, that will satisfy my inner perspective. No, it's not going to happen, because one need to have a better salary, because if you don't have a salary, if you don't have a good salary, you won't be able to satisfy the 5 points of Maslow, and that's what is required in today's world. Times are changing, world is changing, so do your perspective. So what we are thinking today may not be the same tomorrow. That's all.